Hi class, I'm Professor Warren and I wanted to go over these last 3 weeks in your community health course. They're going to be quite labor intensive because it is your community project. So in week 6, it's going to be your community assessment. You're going to be out in the community using such tools as a windshield survey, participant observation, informant interviews, focus groups, and surveys. So that's how you're going to gather the information about your community, and that will be what your paper is about this week. For Module 7, you're going to analyze that data that you gathered, as well as from internet resources like City Data. You will compare the data found with what you found in the community assessment, see what similarities and differences your community have, what are some strengths and weaknesses, and your paper will be about data analysis. But you will also be choosing a target audience and a specific education project that you will be presenting on. So such examples could be prevention of obesity, and you could be talking about diet and exercise. They also need to be pointed out that this is in the community. This is not going to be a presentation to your peers at work, like healthcare providers. Even though that does seem, easy and accessible, you are to be out in the community. Along with this topic also, we need to make sure that you are specifically stating the Healthy People 2020 goal that your project will be preventing or speaking on. So you will link that back to Healthy People 2020. Excuse me. And then in week 8, you will actually do your community project. So you'll provide evidence that you were in front of your target audience. So it will be in the form of some photos, a short video. Please do not send me just you standing in front of a podium, as that is not proof that there was an audience in front of you. And in this week also, you will evaluate how your project went. Was it good overall? How was your audience's receptivity to your information? What could you have done different? Talk about just overall. Did you do a good job assessing your community, picking your target audience, and then presenting in front of them? You will also be using Screencast-O-Matic to provide evidence of not only your identity as well as your actual project taking place in front of your target audience. So if you have questions, be sure to reach out to me. But that is weeks 6, 7, and 8 in a nutshell. Thank you.